We are on day 4 of Venezuela. Didn't really record much last night because there wasn't a whole lot going on, and I was pretty much just vomiting and shitting my pants all night long. I'm sure you guys wanted to hear that, but I'm about to catch this plane to the place where Angel Falls is, and if I don't shit my pants on it, I'm probably gonna die because it's such a tiny little thing. Anyways, it's our plane. I can't tell the propeller.
Hashtag we're gonna die.
We're gonna die. Yeah. And our pilot is 12 years old. Can't see him. But we're on our way to the jungle.
Yeah, stay tuned.
This was our plane. That's our pilot.
Yay!
Say hello, we made it. We are in the jungle.
We're in the jungle.
In the jungle. It's hotter than hell out here. Pilot looks like he's 12. What'd you call this?
Canaima. This is the
Canaima.
Canaima Lagoon.
Canaima Lagoon. Are you recording?
Yeah.
And there's like palm trees just sticking out of the water there.
That's the signature of the lagoon. This is our assigned dog, companion.
Our doggy friend.
He just got to our door and he hasn't left us ever since we got here. And we're gonna be going under those waterfalls. Hotter than kinda there's another waterfall like this. So we go to that one first.
This is the water. It's brown because of the iron, I guess. It's full of iron. Waterfall again. It's a big plateau behind it.
Palmas, famosísimo. La mayoría de las fotos que vemos nosotros de Canaima aparecen estos tres moriches. Cascada. La hermosa Guadaima. Guadaima significa sirena del río.
Walking through the jungle, and big butterfly right there. Very pretty. I'm trying not to step on these ants that they have here, that if you get bit by them, it burns for 12 hours.
12 hours.
Yeah, the giant mofo little ugly ants. But I don't know what that noise is. There's so many noises here. Is that a monkey? Very slippery.
Behind this waterfall now, it's about 100 feet tall, about 300 wide.
I doubt anybody can hear you.
Exacto.